Sun's out, guns out.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are here with another video, a little bit different than before. But before I get into it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And ring that little bell there if you want to get notified when we put up a video.
Yeah.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm Thorge.
Come back. This week we are going to do 5 healthy vegan snacks to help you lose weight. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
What is this?
I don't know. What do you think it is?
What is this? It looks like our green juice from last week.
No. So What is
this? Is this cheese? What is this?
This is celery juice. If you're someone who doesn't like celery juice on its own, which some people don't, I do. Honestly, it makes a world of difference if you add some lemon juice and some sparkling water.
Yes.
So each one of these has exactly 2 stalks of celery. In total, we've got 4 here. It's a lot of celery.
Yes. Yeah, look at that. And you gotta squeeze. If you get some seeds in there, it's okay. Not a big deal. However, if you swallow a lemon seed, I heard a rumor 25 years ago on the playground that a lemon tree will grow in your stomach, and I've never verified that, so. You got it? You got it. You got it. There you go.
Got it. It's like a science experiment.
Whoops. There we go.
Try this. Nature's Spritzer.
Nature's Spritzer.
Just try it. Trust me. Just trust me.
It's really good. It's really, really good.
Just sit outside and enjoy your celery spritzer.
What would this be called if it was at a restaurant?
Probably a celery spritzer.
I would call it a green refresh.
Anyways, let's get to our next snack. We are making a avocado toast but on rice cakes.
Well, that's not gonna work. That knife's way too small. What? I can't believe that worked. Next, we're gonna add some tomatoes and some cucumber. So you're gonna put on some tomatoes?
Shut up.
Put on some tomatoes on there.
It's just shut up. So I like to add onion on it. If you don't like onion and it's not for you, don't add it. But for me, it's like onion is nature's croutons. So the thing that brings this together, the thing that makes this so good, is one ingredient.
Takes it from S to S+.
What's the S stand for?
It's like in gaming when you're making a tier list. S is like the highest tier, but then you have S+, which is like even higher.
That is everything but the bagel seasoning. For Canadians, we don't have a Trader Joe's, so I got this off Amazon for much cheaper than the Trader Joe's version on Amazon. So I can't describe to you how good this makes it. Like, this is all great, dandy and great, but without this ain't nothing, okay?
It's literally everything but the bagel seasoning. So an everything bagel minus the bagel.
Hence the name.
Yes, but I mean, I'd never heard of this, and you told me what it was. I was like, what? I don't understand what that is.
So I like to go a little ham on it.
Let's do this. I'm excited. Oh yeah.
Honestly, pack this when you go to a cottage. It's so good. It's nice to have outside. It's so fresh. It's so nice. It can also be a breakfast. Like,
I actually love this so much. Alright,
we're gonna go get our next snack and we'll be right back.
Yes. Bye.
This next thing is the easiest thing you'll ever have.
It's so easy that even I could do it.
And you've probably already done it, but if you haven't, do it. And if you have done it, this is a reminder to do it again. Frozen grapes. Just take your grapes, wash them, and put them in the freezer, and they become freezies.
It's insane. Like, inside it's not frozen, it's slushy. It's insane. It's literally, it's a slushy inside.
It's so good. It's like nature's freezy.
The theme of today's video is nature's blank.
Yeah, so we had nature's croutons, which are onions, and nature's freezies, which are grapes.
Oh, amazing.
They are so good, and like, you can't not just snack on them in the summer in the freaking heat. It's so hot outside right now.
They're literally little grape flavored freezies. I love these so much.
That's that. Try it.
Easy.
Do it.
Love it.
You have no excuse. Unless you're allergic. We'll be right back with our next easy, healthy, vegan snack for weight loss. Guys.
I am the most excited about.
This one. Just like, give me a moment. Moment of silence. This one is so good. It's almost sinful. Like, it is sinful how good this is.
Yeah,
it's like, it shouldn't be good for you. It shouldn't even be a thing that's allowed to be made into what it is.
Nope.
Are you ready for what this is?
This tastes like it should be way more unhealthy than it is.
What do you think it is? Right now, in the comments. We'll wait. What do you think it is? I'll give you a hint. There's chocolate.
And it's brown.
You gave it away.
No, I didn't. I gave away the color.
All right. I hope you said brownies.
Brownies. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, tell me those don't look incredible.
Guys.
What's the best part of these brownies?
That they're healthy.
No flour.
Oh, yes. Clearly, we don't script these. There's a plane, and you can probably hear it.
Pilot always be flying his plane when I'm trying to film my movie. Look at that. Look at this.
Check that out.
Look at the. It's so good. Okay, I don't know if you've noticed.
It's okay, I'll still eat it. I will post the recipes in the description box below. It will fill you up because it's got a lot of dates, it's got a lot of nuts, lots of it's high in good fats. Wait a second.
It's so tempting. This is torture.
All right, you want to go?
Finally, yes. Oh man. Oh, this is so good.
This is so gooey in like the best way possible. It's, you know what it is? It's
nature's what?
It's nature's brownie.
Look at that. What? Oh god, these are so good. I can't believe this.
This is a public service announcement.
You know what else I just realized?
Have one. Have one.
I'm not gonna have another one, I promise. It's so good.
We'll be back.
And the last snack is bananas. Alright, so it's been nice. Hope you enjoyed watching.
No, that's not it. So, this one is something you've also probably done before, and if you haven't, I strongly recommend you do it.
I don't think people, I've never done it before. I haven't done half the stuff before you.
You haven't done a lot of things.
No. You introduced me to a lot of stuff.
Bananas, almond butter, and cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Pro tip: almond butter, peanut butter. If it's all natural, store it upside down in your fridge. Then the oil mixes in, and you don't get that stuff stuck at the bottom. That's a 5-head move.
This is literally as simple as taking a slice of banana, putting some almond butter on it, and then sprinkling some cinnamon. And it looks like that.
Now I know we have a reputation with cinnamon, but you put a little bit on and it's really good.
So because that was quick, we're gonna do a tower of this.
Yes.
Starting now.
Hold on. This is as tall as it would go. It's the Leaning Tower of banana. Or you put it upright in your mouth.
Alright.
I'm so full.
We've eaten a lot. But yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll be back next week with another meal plan for the week.
Yes.
And we can't wait to share our progress with you at the end of these 3 months. So
speaking of progress, you want to tell them what I stopped doing recently?
Yes.
Which I, to this day, don't believe.
Guys, I have hated, in our 2 years of marriage, sleeping next to this guy.
3 years of marriage, thank you very much.
3 years of marriage. Sleeping next to this guy. Because all he does is snore. It's not cute. It's not sweet. Guys, it's violent. It's very violent. It is like It is deafening. It is very deafening. That's the word. It's deafening.
I've slept on the couch so many times.
So.
Not because I was in trouble, but because she's like, I can't sleep with your snoring. I just needed to stop eating bread and stop eating a bunch of that I don't need. If you try these snacks, whichever one you try, let us know which one you tried and which one you like the most.
We will see you next week. Have a wonderful week, guys.
Let's go biking.
Okay.
Bye. You wanna go biking?
No.
What? Oh, come on, man. You wanna go play tennis?
No.
Wanna go to the beach?
No.
Wanna go mow the lawn?
No.
Wanna help me build a deck?
Nope.
I'm out of ideas.
Do you wanna break up?
Wait, that'd be more league time. I get the platinum.